why are we doing it in our kitchens when we have a kitchen in the Honors College? Well, yours is being renovated right now. So for the next 6 weeks, we're without a kitchen in the Honors College. We're supposed to do this in person, but we're really excited for the renovation to be done. Thank you very much to the generous donors that make your lives better every day by helping out our campus, and it's all for you, the students. All right, good evening, Honors College. It's Anthony Helms, your assistant dean. Very excited to be coming to you for this episode of the Dean's Challenge from my home. We're in my kitchen, where I'm going to be making some muffins for you, banana nut muffins with chocolate chips. So pretty excited about this. Dean Lopez is doing this at her house tonight. It's Tuesday, and then tomorrow there's going to be a taste testing in the Honors College. Without further ado, let's talk about what we're going to be doing tonight. We're making banana nut muffins with chocolate chips. I'll get to why it's chocolate chips here in a minute. But first, let me introduce, so this is Frank. Sarah, my wife, is going to help. And without further ado, we're going to make some banana nut muffins with chocolate chips tonight. A couple specific things about what we're doing. These are going to be gluten-free. I had to go gluten-free a couple years ago, so whoever's doing the taste testing tomorrow is going to suffer with me. And anybody else who's had to do the gluten-free life, you know that your expectations for anything sweet is just plummets. It's cut in half. My expectations are shot for anything that's not savory anymore. So just so we don't completely hate ourselves, we're going to put some chocolate chips in there to hopefully offset the necessities of going gluten-free. Couple bananas. In honor of Dean Lopez, we are using Mexican vanilla. Bethany Gautier, our wonderful marketing communications guru, who coordinates all these Dean's challenges along with Tesha. This is cinnamon that she gave me for Christmas this year. So we're going to get together, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. See, there's Frank. We're going to combine our dry ingredients, our wet ingredients in 2 different bowls. I'll show you what that looks like, and then I'll show you again before we toss them in the oven for some baking. But go Team Helms, let's defeat my nemesis, Dean Lopez.
We're here in the Jones-Lopez residence. In the galley kitchen, and here's Dean Lopez, who's a fabulous but completely inexperienced baker.
Oh, don't disclose that, Dean. This is the first time ever that I have made muffins. And the reason why is because Kalamazoo has such a wonderful bakeries that when we want something sweet, we just go and get them. I don't have a recipe book or a book about baking goods, so I went into the internet and I found this recipe that is very, very easy to make, and I thought that I will give it a try. I really love this recipe because it has music on. The recipe calls for semi-sweet chocolates, but I decided that I'm going to be making them more fruity. You know how much I like fruit, so I thought I will do my own creation, put some orange peels, and I'm gonna put some cherries as well. No, believe it or not, I bought this one, and I got this one.
What do you think is going to happen to Anthony's muffins?
Oh, I just hope they burn. I hope he falls asleep when he puts his muffin on the oven. He forgets, and when he wakes up, everything is black.
Wow.
That's what I wish for him. Right after we finish with this, I really want you to get out of the kitchen then, so I can focus on this.
But thank you for the interview, Dean Lopez.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Good luck with those muffins.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm an honor student, and I like meeting all the new people and getting to know friends here.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm one of the Honors College mentors here, and what I love about the Honors College is also the people.
Hey, I'm Naman. I'm an honors student, and I think the Honors College is pretty cool. That's really it. Yeah.
I
like that these are colorful.
Yeah.
They have some cute wrapping
Yeah.
on them.
I like a cherry on top.
The cherry is cute.
That's a cupcake. That is
Yeah, that's
not
what I
a
was-
muffin.
Yeah,
I
that's what I
refuse
was
to call
thinking
that a muffin. That's a muffin now.
Yeah, I mean, at
Yeah.
first glance, I thought we were doing muffin and cupcakes when I saw that, but I'm open to a muffin having frosting.
Original taste.
It's cute. It's fun.
Yeah, it
it's
is.
fun. We're creative here at the
Oh.
Honors College.
Yeah, there you go.
I like the nuts.
It's nuts.
I do like the nuts. Yeah.
I thought that was like chocolate.
Yeah, that looks like cranberry-ish.
Oh, cranberry.
But again, our judges will determine.
I thought that's just an angel cake.
I hate to be like.
Oh.
I honestly hate those like red cherries on top.
What
Like,
did he
I hate
say?
them. Yeah, I really. I hate those like the candy cherries. So that's a little.
Oh, you can pick it off.
I will take it off. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna be open-minded though.
Yeah.
Because I'm excited for frosting.
Okay.
I'll give it a 4.
Yeah. Why?
There's color. I like the colorful
Four sounds
stuff.
better.
I say 4.
Now, if you said appearance for muffin,
Muffin.
I'd have to give it
For-
a
I would
1
give it
or
a
2.
2 for like
Okay.
a muffin.
See a little muffin, a cupcake.
Yeah.
Cupcake.
But I appreciate whoever made this. For
Yeah,
us,
that's
though.
very good.
I very much appreciate that. These are muffin B, right?
Yes.
Muffin B looks like a muffin.
It
They
does
do.
look like a
They
muffin.
do.
Muffin
That
A
screams
looks like a
muffin to me.
cupcake.
Screaming down.
Yeah. They look well baked. Like in a good way. Like they're golden brown. It's pretty.
Well prepared.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a muffin is all I
That's
can
the
really
structure
say.
of a
I
muffin.
think it looks like
muffin.
someone who made it. They look like they know what they're doing.
Yeah.
They look like they know how to bake.
Yeah.
Okay.
They put a lot of care
Like-
into it in that food.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, it's cute. Cute. It looks like banana walnut to me.
That was my guess.
I don't know
So,
if it
like,
looks
are
like
these
they're
just their
chocolate.
chocolate maybe?
Ooh.
I
Oh, no,
love
you're gonna find
banana
out.
walnut
It's like-
and like chocolate
I can't tell
stuff.
if that's more walnut or chocolate chips.
Cute.
Scale of 1 to 5.
It's like 4.5. Probably leaning more towards 5.
Yeah, like 4.5. No.
It's a muffin. It's a 5.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
It's a muffin, man. I don't know what to tell you.
It's a muffin. Muffin man.
Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
So now we're going to get our sous chef,
I
Bethany,
have a plastic knife. That's like my qualification.
So
in our
that's-
audience.
This one has something inside of it.
It smells good.
Yeah.
It's a good smell.
It smells like cake. But I like it.
Oh.
Oh, are they blue?
Give me a minute.
Wait, what is that?
It's like candy.
There's chocolate chips. I like that.
It has like the candied raisin thingies. And
Are those? Are they more cherries?
I don't know.
3, 2, 1.
It's not bad.
Tastes like one of those cakes you would get from like, you know, during like Christmas time. There's like those big fruit cake things. I don't know what they're called.
I like the fruit that are inside. Like the muffin. There you go, muffin.
I do like fruit and muffin.
That's good. I like it.
It is very moist.
Frosting.
Buttercream.
Yeah.
I love buttercream
Yeah,
frosting.
that's good.
Good choice by them.
No, I'm glad they added like the fruit inside because that made it more flavorful.
It's like a muffin from the fruit side.
It's definitely a muffin, but more so a
It-
cupcake.
Definitely,
More so a
definitely good texture. It doesn't seem like they over mixed it. Like it's not super dense, which is what happens if you over mix.
That's true.
But yeah, really moist.
Maybe like a 3 or 4.
It's like 3.5.
3.8. I love walnuts.
Sticky.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, I don't like
Oh, there is chocolate inside of it. Oh, bless. Bless. Ah, look at all that chocolate.
This looks good. Reminds me of a blueberry muffin, a banana muffin.
Banana nut muffin. Guys, I'm so excited.
It's spongy, kind of.
It is spongy.
It's spongy.
Both of these were very well made, I think. No one overdid
At a
it.
time.
I'll say this one's more spongy. than
Not
that
burned.
one was.
Really? I think that one's a little more. Or maybe it's like, I don't know, moist.
Like, this is a little more moist.
3, 2, 1.
Definitely can notice it's not as sweet as the other one.
I really like it.
Mm-hmm.
I can't tell what the other flavoring is.
It's banana. It's banana chocolate and walnut.
The chocolate's very strong for me.
Yeah,
Ooh, but that's good.
the chocolate is pretty strong.
The texture's good. I like how sort of it's kind of evenly distributed with the nuts. It's good. I like it's moist. It's I liked the flavor. I thought the chocolate was a bit strong, but I mean it kind of made that kind of taste even better.
I didn't get any chocolate yet.
Oh, you didn't get chocolate?
Kind of sad. I'll
Oh. Like some more chocolate on that.
I'll
But
bite- I'll bite
overall,
on
I
that
liked
side.
it.
Like,
Sorry.
it was definitely really chocolatey. You can see like specks of chocolate and like examining it.
Yeah, I'm
It's really
definitely
moist
tasting the
though.
chocolate. Yeah.
Yeah, so-
I would grab this for breakfast.
Yeah.
Like a breakfast muffin.
Yeah, I kind of liked, overall I liked it. I'd probably say 4 for the taste.
Like 4.5, yeah.
A little too chocolatey for me, so I'd probably give it like more sort of a 3.
You could never have too much chocolate.
A little too chocolately.
Just
Just a little bit too much. Just a little bit.
Okay.
No, I refuse to call it a muffin. It has frosting on it, and yeah, it just looks more so like a cupcake.
Yeah, there is much sweeter than what I expect a muffin to be like. So more cake, in my opinion.
Yeah, I definitely think it was more sweeter, and then also the frosting and the cherry on top made it look like a cupcake.
Yeah.
And the final question, is it a muffin?
Yeah.
Yes, it's definitely
Yeah.
a muffin. I like B better because it wasn't too sweet.
I like B better.
I actually liked A better.
Oh, okay.
But they were both very great.
They were both
Yeah,
good,
it
yes.
was good though.
And we got fed free food. I mean, you can't really beat
You
that.
gotta cut that. You gotta
Two
cut that.
good muffins, you can't go wrong with that.
Winner. Okay, the winning muffin is Assistant Dean Helms.
Let's go. Win.
Okay,
W
nice.
moment.
That's a
The W moment. That's
I
it.
won't even lie, I was so sure. I would have put money on that.
Well, I would have got the money for it.
okay.
And
Good
Maddie
job,
picked,
Anthony.
yeah, you're miss.
I can't sit in front of the computer.
Iman, watches through the window.
Oh, they're watching. This semester it's
Excellent. Victory is what we're here for in the Honors College. So I'm just glad I can make the students' day a little bit happier with some warm, nutritious muffins. That's what Dean Lopez and I come to work for every day. So happy to broadcast from the house last night. I hope you all enjoy the making video. You can see the entire process via a time-lapse video that my wife was kind enough to make for us. So looking forward to next month to close this thing out and keep the trophy in the right place in my office.
Oh, Anthony, don't chant victory yet. That trophy is gonna walk somehow to my office this semester. So don't be too confident, okay? Because we still have one more challenge, okay, to go. So yeah, it was fun. I learned how to make muffins or cupcakes or whatever you want to call them. The recipe called them muffins. So I went for it. So yeah, it was fun. I have to say, and it was a lot of fun to have my husband participating too.
I'm like, Anthony totally did those, and Dean Lopez totally did those.
we're learning about muffins and each other.
Yeah.